Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's a mess in here, y'all, because it's Christmas, it's the holidays, but don't worry about all that because we finna get into these baked beans and I'm gonna be showing y'all how to make that today, okay? So do not forget to get y'all cookbooks that are on Amazon. You can search my name or you can search the title of the book, okay? Get cooking and keep cooking. But without further ado, y'all, let's get into this food. Okay, so the first thing I do is add some oil in the pot, okay? Because we're gonna add these sausages, and then we're just gonna saute these just to get a little brown. Now look, I did overcook mine because I was busy doing a whole bunch of other stuff, so we just not even gonna worry about that. This meal is normally cooked with ground beef, so you can grind you up some beef. You can use a little seasoning, salt, onion powder, garlic powder, and black pepper, and just cook up the ground beef. Or you can just use bacon like I did here and just cook your bacon to your liking, just however you like it. I like mine a little crispy but also a little soft. So then I added 1 onion and some bell peppers. Now, I didn't have any green bell peppers or red, so I only used what I had, y'all. So we got yellow bell peppers and we got some salt and pepper and just a little bit of garlic, okay? 2 teaspoons of garlic. Just mix that up and cook it down, y'all. And you just want to cook it until it's translucent, okay? So then we're going to add 2 cans of beans, baked beans. 1 with the juice, and then I try to drain the juice out of the other one, okay? A little bit of honey. Y'all, I don't have measurements for this one, so after everything is added, you're just going to go ahead and taste it, okay? So we got mustard, we got ketchup, we got ground cinnamon, we got some brown sugar, and a little bit of apple cider vinegar. Just a little bit, okay? Add your vegetables back in, add your meat, and if you got ground beef, add your ground beef. I totally forgot the barbecue sauce. Please do not forget that. That is essential for this meal, barbecue sauce. And then you just want to mix that up very well, y'all. Make sure everything is coated, everything is mixed up. And then you're going to just taste it and see what else you need to add. And then just go ahead and pop it in the oven for about 45 minutes to an hour. This is how it came out, y'all. Put a little parsley flake on top. Sorry, y'all, for the audio for this because it was loud in my house. So, you know, I had to go ahead and just do a little voiceover with this weak-ass microphone. But anyways, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what y'all want to cook, what y'all want to see, what y'all want to learn.
Hit that subscribe button!